Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube channel URL. So once you're on YouTube, the first important thing is to ensure that you sign into your YouTube account or your YouTube channel or your Gmail account. And once you head over to YouTube, you just need to ensure that you click your profile on the upper right hand side. You want to ensure that you have the right account or the right YouTube account. If not, click on the switch account and you can switch between multiple accounts there. But once you do that, just simply click the link above here that says view your channel. And you know what, you once you do that, guys, you will see first and foremost your YouTube channel URL. And if you look in the address bar here, you will find your channel URL. The thing is, this YouTube channel URL, it shows your handle as well. So if you don't want this version of your YouTube channel URL, then I recommend that you click and customize your channel here right below your channel name and description there. It's going to take you over to a YouTube Studio customization page where you can easily scroll down on this page here. You have two tab, profile and home tab. On the profile tab, you want to scroll down and you will find your channel URL. You'll find your channel handle, as you can see here, and your channel name. But if you scroll down, you will have your channel URL, and this is a channel URL. You can copy it and you can use this version if you so desire. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.